Hi everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to place for versatile and easy-to-use Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful tool designed specifically for the trucking industry, our routing software for trucks. This tool helps truck drivers, fleet managers, and logistics professionals optimize routes for efficiency, reducing fuel costs and ensuring deliveries arrive on time. If you operate a trucking business, handle freight deliveries, or simply need to find the most efficient way to move goods between multiple locations, this tool is for you. It solves one of the biggest challenges in logistics, finding the best route while factoring in mileage, travel times, and the number of stops. Rather than relying on trial and error or basic mapping software, this tool does the heavy lifting for you, ensuring that your fleet operates as efficiently as possible. Here's how it works. The routing software for trucks leverages Google Maps API to calculate the most optimized route for your list of delivery stops. It considers real-time traffic conditions, calculates distances between stops, and provides a step-by-step breakdown of the most fuel-efficient and time-saving route. The software automatically adjusts stop order for maximum efficiency, eliminating unnecessary backtracking and wasted miles. Let me walk you through how simple it is to use. First, enter your starting location and destination. These can be different places, such as a warehouse to a final delivery point, or they can be the same if you're making a round-trip route. Next, enter the list of stops you need to make along the way. No need to manually organize them. The tool will determine the most efficient order for you. Once your list is set, click on the Optimize Route button, and the tool will instantly calculate the best possible path. After calculating the optimized route, the tool provides a detailed breakdown, showing you the most efficient stop order to minimize travel time and distance, the total mileage and estimated drive time for the entire route, step-by-step driving directions with links to Google Maps for easy navigation, the ability to share or export the optimized route for drivers or dispatch teams. Once the route is generated, you can open it directly in Google Maps, allowing for real-time navigation from your phone, tablet, or onboard GPS system. You can even share the route with your drivers, ensuring seamless coordination for deliveries. We've been developing Excel-based logistics tools for over 16 years, with more than 7,500 satisfied customers who rely on our solutions to streamline their operations. Every week, we hear from trucking companies, independent drivers, and logistics managers who tell us how much time and money this tool has saved them. With over 125 five-star reviews on Google, we take pride in building solutions that work. If you're ready to optimize your truck routing and improve efficiency, download the routing software for trucks using the link in the description below. This version supports up to 20 stops based on Google Maps API limitations. But if you need a custom solution with additional features, let us know. We'd be happy to build a tailored version for your needs. If you have any questions or need assistance setting up the tool, feel free to reach out. You can contact us via phone, email, or live chat on our website. And yes, we personally answer every call. No automated responses, no bots, just real support from real people. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tools and tips to improve your logistics. Until next time, happy trucking.